What's up guys, it's your girl Jordan here and welcome back to my channel. Also, welcome to my room. Be sure to go check in my move-in vlog and I give you a sneak peek of what my room looks like. Be on the lookout for a apartment room tour coming very soon. But yay for our first official video with like my room as the background. And this video is going to be a college grocery haul on a budget. Just went grocery shopping. I'm supposed to be vlogging this week because it's the day after move-in, and so I'm vlogging my first week of college, but I forgot to vlog going grocery shopping, so I'll throw in a little behind the scenes of me filming this video. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the video because one, I'm super hungry and I want to eat all this food, and two, I need to get this stuff in the refrigerator before some of it melts. So let's go ahead and get into the video. But wait, before we get into the video, one last thing. Be sure you guys are subscribed down below so you can be a part of the JustJordy fam. And if you want to get super extra points, be sure to click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Now we can get started. First, we have these Tyson Anitizers boneless chicken bites, buffalo style. I am in love with hot wings, especially boneless hot wings, so I have to get some of these. They're not really healthy. I'm not claiming that this haul is healthy at all. It's realistic to what a college student might buy, because I am a college student. So yeah, I just got these Tyson buffalo chicken wings, and they're pretty self-explanatory. They're chicken wings. Next thing I have is a pack of, how many? 8 hot dogs, and then this little mini thing of ground beef. Hot dogs are self-explanatory. I love chili dogs, and I got a bunch of other ingredients to have with this, but it's a super easy meal, and I love chili dogs, so that's why I got this. And then ground beef, you can just put in anything. I really didn't get anything to put with it this time, but put it in the freezer, it'll last you. You can use this for spaghetti, all types of different types of pastas. I can make burgers, so ground beef is a staple. So hot dogs and ground beef. Next we have some mandarin oranges. I love these little things, especially because I can just throw them in my backpack for practice or for work, and I can literally eat them anytime. Don't have to worry about putting them in a Ziploc bag or preparing them or anything. I love these things, and they last me a pretty good amount of time. So yep, just got some mandarins. I have this bag of peeled shrimp. They're ready to cook, this frozen shrimp. And I got these because I love eating shrimp with rice, and also I can make shrimp pasta or shrimp alfredo. So love. This is going to be some fettuccine noodles to make either chicken fettuccine alfredo or shrimp fettuccine alfredo. So these are super cheap, I know. A box of Frosted Flakes. I wanted a box of Honey Nut Cheerios, but they didn't have the small ones. I feel like my grocery store is always out of Honey Nut Cheerios. So I just settled for my second favorite, Frosted Flakes. And cereal is something that lasts me like forever. Like this small box will last me like 2 months, literally. I don't even know if cereal expires. Next we have this box of boil in a bag white rice. I love white rice. Like I said, I'll probably eat this with my shrimp, and it just comes with 4 bags. You just put it on the oven in some hot water and it boils, and it's so good and delicious. Next, I had to I grabbed the wrong one. My favorite hot sauce is the Louisiana hot sauce, but this one is sweet heat with honey. Hopefully, maybe it'll taste good, but got some hot sauce that I'm probably not going to use now. Next we have chili with beans, and I got this for my chili dogs again. And cans of chili are super cheap. You can also eat just cans of chili by themselves with like crackers or something, but I like having them on my hot dogs. Next, I got this jar of Ragu classic Alfredo sauce, again for the either chicken Alfredo or the shrimp Alfredo. So yeah, this was only $1.62, and this is like a one-time buy thing. It's gonna last me for a really long time. Next, I just got these cups because I didn't have any cups, and they're super cute. They look like pink Solo cups, but they're actually like reusable and hard, and these were just 50 cents each, so I got 4 of them. So my camera just decided to stop recording, but this is definitely one of like my splurge buys, not because it was super expensive, but because it's not something that I needed. This is only $2.22 actually, but this is like one of my like cheat snacks that I got, so yay. Just got some ready-made chicken salad, and what I love to do this for my lunches, I have Hawaiian rolls, which I'll show you a little bit later on, and I just open the Hawaiian rolls and stuff some chicken salad in there. Probably gonna eat that for dinner after this video because I don't really feel like making anything, but this chicken salad is delicious. Now I have shredded cheese and coleslaw for my chili dogs. I love putting coleslaw on my chili dogs, and then you have to have some cheese on there. So this is just mild cheddar shredded cheese. Next, I just grabbed some almond milk. I prefer almond milk because it lasts longer, and I don't drink milk that often, so I need my milk to last a really long time. This doesn't expire till October 11th, and right now it's August 19th, so that's super good. And then I just got this little box of 2 sticks of butter for like when I cook and stuff. I like to butter my pan, so milk and butter. First, we just have some green grapes, which are my favorite. These grapes are huge. Then I just got a thing of strawberries, and these were $2.98. So self-explanatory. Strawberries, they're delicious. Next, I got some bananas. I just got 4, and I'm not a super big banana person, but sometimes if I'm on the go, because I have practice at 7 in the morning, they're just really easy and convenient to grab, and they're also super cheap. I got these 4 bananas for only like 72 cents. So, bananas, they're a must. And the last thing that I got in my grocery haul are my breads. So I just got some normal bread, which I don't eat normal bread that much, so we'll see how this goes with this buy. And then I got hot dog buns for my chili dogs, and I got Hawaiian rolls for my Hawaiian roll chicken salad sandwiches. So that is it for this grocery haul, guys. Oh, let me tell you, my total spending was $69.59. My budget was $50, and as you can see, I went over that budget by like $20. But I did get a bunch of the essentials this time, so hopefully next time that will go down. And then I told you guys that this was my first like grocery haul, so we'll actually see what gets used and what doesn't get used, and then I'll know better for next time and stuff like that. Also, I am not like a great cook or anything. I feel like I'm decent, like I can follow a recipe. So if you want some behind the scenes vlogs on how I'm going to be cooking some of this stuff, be sure to leave a like and comment down below. Also, I'm a super picky eater, so this is really like pretty much all I eat, so that's also going to be very interesting. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and you better not click off this video without subscribing down below. You're not just gonna watch my video and then leave and not subscribe, are you? You wouldn't do that, would you? I'm definitely gonna be posting more grocery hauls in the future, and so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.